Hi. Let's have a look at the Get the Administration Object action. Log into LiveCompare with editor access, expand your workspace and create a new workflow. Let's call this one 1.12 Admin Objects. Hide the Model Explorer and open the component palette. Type in Admin. You see the Get Administration Objects here. Drag and drop it onto your canvas. Give yourself a little bit of room above so that we can add a new string for object type, and below we'll have a new result. Now select object type, and in the string in your property editor on the far right, click on the drop down and choose RFC destination and hit run. It retrieved 61 RFCs that I have created within LiveCompare. Right-click on your Get Admin Objects action. Have a look at the help. This will talk about other scenarios in which you may want to use this Get Admin Objects action outside of just retrieving RFC destinations. Thanks.